Co-design is a very close partnership between the applications, the computer scientists, and the hardware designers to understand how to allocate the complexity in all three places. What's typically happened in the past is the hardware designers have designed what they could make. They've turned it over to the computer scientists who've done what they could with it, and then all the rest of the complexity was handed to the applications people as a giant surprise after the machine was delivered. The current path to the future is complicated enough that you can't do that and have a hope of succeeding.
There's an enormous interest in co-design or extreme scale computing. So combustion science has relied heavily on high-performance computing in the last decade or so. And so what exascale computing will enable us to do is to really push the envelope in understanding the nuances of the chemistry and their physical properties and how you optimally tailor those to operate in advanced engines or gas turbines. Current computations on a machine like a Jaguar or a Krell XE6, computing something like a hydrogen laboratory scale turbulent flame is costing us about 7 billion grid points and 30 or 40 million CPU hours. That might take several weeks to actually turn one run around. On an exascale machine, I think we would love to be able to see a tenfold speed up. The SIDAC centers and institutes are extremely helpful to the applications folks and trying to develop the underlying cross-cutting computer science and applied math capabilities that we need in our software stack. And so, for example, the Math Institute will help us develop linear solvers at scale. Other centers are focused on issues like I/O and data analysis and visualization. So that's a key component to our co-design center because we plan to do a lot of the analysis and uncertainty quantification, for example, in situ. Now, I think this is a real test of teamwork because we've got multidisciplinary teams. We're geographically dispersed at labs, at universities. Co-design is all about iteration and teamwork, right? So this will be even understanding how the process of co-design is going to work is something that we're just starting to feel our way through.